What's up, ladies and gents? It's your boy Tunis with the new video. Today we're gonna talk about how to make money online. How to make money online. Easy, simple, and it's tested. Like it's no lie, it's no scam. They pay you. I promise you that. You can check the reviews, you can check wherever you want. The only thing I'm gonna add to this video is how to do it. Everybody can do it, but the right way to do it to increase your uh, money, to increase your money. Because if you look at it from the outside, you'll be like, oh, penny here, two pennies there, three pennies here. That's not worth it. It's not worth my time. I'm gonna show you how to really make money using this website, and every week I'm gonna drop a video showing how to do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and let's start. And this is my website. The website is basically called Inbox Dollars. You can click in the link below, so like that, I make a commission from it, and also you will make a commission as well. I'm gonna show you how to make commission from every sign up. So the first thing you do is you go to the this website, you follow my link, and you sign up. Sign up is very easy and simple. You put your email, password, and bam, you confirm it, and you in. When you confirm it, you get your $5 right away. $5 without a sweat. All right. Then you go, you're gonna find an email right here. You confirm it. You just click paid email. You confirm, you get two pennies. Two pennies, just two pennies. Bear with me. That was a one click, two pennies. Okay, that's not much, but let's check this out. So we're gonna go. I'm not gonna go to the survey. Some people like to do surveys. You get $1, $2, $5. It depends how long is the survey and all of that, and if you are qualified and all the good stuff. I don't do that. I really don't. So you go to offers, and that's where the money is. So basically, you see here how much they're paying, and you don't have to spend no money. No money. Basically, you get those offers right here. Some of them, like this one, Discovery Plus, you pay monthly $4.99, you get $15. The first month you pay, you get $15. You get free games you play, you get $80. This one, you open an account, you earn $250. Okay, so but just by signing in, you got Varo. You open a Varo account, you get $100 right there. And by the way, Varo, when you let's say you open a Varo account, you get $100 right there. You offer it to a friend. You send your link to a friend, you get another $50. $50. So if you have one person in your family, you tell them, hey man, just sign up to Varo, bro. Here my link. Sign up to it. You get 100 from here plus $50 from each person you send Varo link to. Okay. Same thing with the Chimney, but Chimney it will pay you $25 only. So this is with my experience. Um, I did this when 2 or 3 weeks ago, so it made things change, but it is still, I'm sure Baro's still sending me messages telling me, hey man, the more you sending us people, the more you get the money basically. So $50 for each person. Um, Second way to do it is doesn't pay much as well. It doesn't pay much, but clicking on videos. You watch a video, you don't have to be in front of the computer. They don't pay much, but hey, two pennies here, three pennies there. It doesn't hurt. But the most place where you're gonna make money is in the offers. And if you don't like to sign up and things, like here, online trading banker service, you just sign up without paying any penny. Here, invest your space change, same way, $50. You sign in here, um, $70. So it's money, 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 money. Um, if you don't want to do any of that, you got the free offers as well. I mean, you're not paying nothing, but those are basically games you enjoy playing. and you're basically earning. And look how many pages is there. Look how many pages. Okay, here they start dropping to a penny and stuff, but they still Monopoly. Who doesn't like to play Monopoly? 20 bucks for playing Monopoly, bro. $20. So you get the idea. However, um this is not the only way. It's one of the best way to do it. But they have easier way where you don't have to do nothing of this. Nothing. Basically, you go to refer a friend and you put your link like I'm doing right now in my YouTube channel. And that's why basically I left this website for a while, is to build my YouTube channel. I built my YouTube channel because I don't use social media. I really am not. I'm an old school guy. I don't use social media. I realize I have to. So if you have Facebook, um, YouTube, whatever social media you have, and you get some people there, it doesn't have to be thousands or 100,000 people. Even if you get like 120, it don't matter. Basically, what you do is you put your link, like I'm gonna do in my YouTube channel. Read here, invite your friends, get 30% of their life earning. That means for every person, first of all, when they sign up, they're gonna get the $5 as well. So basically, from that $5, you're gonna get 30% plus whatever survey they're taking, whatever offer. Let's say one of your friend do this one $250, it's gonna you're gonna get 30% of it. $80, 30% of it. So you are making money, he's making money for life, bro. For life. You can't beat that if you do it the right way. Like I said, don't bother yourself with those surveys, 50 cent and all of that. It's a waste of time. That's why um, I saw some people put in video about Inbox Dollar, and they're talking about, oh, well, go to the coupons here, you're shopping anyway, and you redeem. I mean, you can do that, but it's not gonna take you nowhere, frankly. It's not. The money is in the offers right there, right? I mean, why not? If you open an account over here, you earn 250 plus, you invite some people in, you get $25 each, or about $50, bro. You getting $50. Beside the $150 for each person who sign up, he get 50, you get 50. I mean, you can't beat that. And you get the referral. That's where the money is. All right, guys. Hopefully you liked my video. It's very honest video. No lies, no scam. Like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know. And like I said, from here on, I'm going through the second step of my YouTube channel. It's gonna be gaming, watching game. Um, Playing my League of Legends. And by the way, League of Legends, they have also a way where you can play the game and make money at the same time. And you just have to link your game to it. And don't listen to other people when they said, I got this app where you can do this. Don't listen to them, because some of those apps where you can play League of Legends and make money, it frees your game up and make it slow. I have websites where that doesn't happen at all, because I tested them, I tried them. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. I appreciate you, and please don't skip the commercial, man. Don't skip the commercial. All right, have a wonderful day, and God bless.